We're Dude Perfect. Welcome to Lawnmower Racing Battle. Let's go!
Dude Perfect.
I got nothing to lose and everything to gain, and I'm willing to put anybody into the wall.
I dedicate this race to my firstborn, Bowen.
I'm like a horse with blinders. All I see is the track and the checkered flag, and that's all that matters. It's go time. Woo!
All right, gentlemen, let's do it.
Let's go. Drop it.
What he's doing! Are you kidding me? Dad, what are you doing? You threw me off my mower! No! My throttle's stuck! No! Kick him out! Kick him out!
Dude, I think Ty's out! I think Ty's out, dude!
No! Come on! That was pretty frustrating. Muhammad Ali knocked out, but that's life. Ty's out! This is amazing! Oh, yes! I can't believe it! Come on, Cobb, get your mower out of here! No! Here we go, boys! See ya, Cobb! Second place, blow down!
Go hard. Go hard.
Get some, Cobb! See ya!
Go hard.
Let's go, Bulldozer! Bulldozer's here to stay, baby! I was born to do this! Let's go! Woo!
The Dude Perfect Show, Thursdays at 9, 8 Central, followed by the Ed Bassmaster Show on CMT.